the salt plains of Kutch, Gujarat, where the land stretches quite and wide, a young boy grew up with big dreams but limited tools. During school, computers were a rare sight. Coding was something he read about, not something he touched. But curiosity never needed a screen, only space and time. Mohammed Shoaib Ansari joined School of Technology at PW IOI with one belief that it's never too late to learn deeply and never too early to start building. At IOI, he found more than just lectures. He found mentorship, structure, and the confidence to create something of his own. AVL Tree Visualizer, a Java-based interactive tool that shows how one of the most balanced data structures really works. Insertions, deletions, traversals, all animated, all cleanly mapped out. Built using JavaFX, this isn't a web app. It's a full software application with a clear structure, real logic, and interactivity at its core. For Shoaib, it wasn't just a project. It was a moment when concepts turned into code and idea became experience. This project helped him understand AVL trees in a way no textbook ever could, because every rotation, every height calculation, every balance check was seen, animated, and understood. And it's not stopping here. Next, more data structures will be visualized. A mobile version is already in mind, and a bigger vision, open world map algorithms, is waiting just down the line. At PWIOY, Shoaib found a rhythm that worked for him, a place where hands-on learning came first and theory became real through practice, where experienced faculty didn't just teach, they guided. Now, with every line of Java, he is building not just a code, but a foundation. One thing he hopes is to carry forward into a company that values what he brings: clean logic, visual clarity, and quiet determination. Further ahead, he dreams of pursuing a master's, to learn more, to go deeper, and to reach higher.
For me, it's not just about writing code. It's about turning concept into clarity and one visual element, one rotation, one line at a time.
From the edges of Kutch to the heart of IOI, Mohammed Shoaib Ansari's journey isn't just about learning code. It's about finally being able to bring ideas to life.